Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use ChatGPT for cover letter, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by accessing the ChatGPT platform. You can use it through a web browser or a dedicated app. Once you're on the ChatGPT homepage, sign in or create an account if you haven't already. After logging in, locate the input box where you can type your questions or prompts. To begin drafting your cover letter, you might start by asking ChatGPT for advice. Type a prompt like, "Can you help me write a cover letter for a job application?" Be specific about the job position and company you're interested in. For example, include details such as the job title and industry. After typing your prompt, press Enter to submit. ChatGPT will provide you with a generated response. Review the text carefully to ensure it fits your desired tone and style. If you want to refine it further, you can ask for specific changes. For instance, request a more formal tone or additional information about your skills. You can also input your resume or key achievements into the conversation for context. Next, personalize the letter by adding your name and contact information. Make sure to include the recipient's name and address if you have that information. Revise any details to ensure accuracy and relevance. Once satisfied with the content, copy the entire cover letter from the chat. Paste it into a word processor for final formatting. Double-check for any grammatical errors or typos. Save the document and prepare it for submission. Remember to follow any specific application instructions regarding format and submission. Congratulations, you've successfully created a cover letter using ChatGPT. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.